teacher Bodina. Salam now.
Why? Today is English day. In this class.
Okay, today English day now?
Yes. Why?
Okay.
Why Amarinya talking?
Pharmacy. Tomorrow, today, pharmacy.
What is pharmacy?
I go there more hospital. Oh, sorry.
Today is English day. How are you? I find thank you and you, brother. Oh.
Grandfather, hospital, pharmacy, clinic.
Grandfather?
Grandfather, mother, today pharmacy, clinic. What's this?
Abshalo. Don't you try English today in our class is the today is the Thursday is English day in weekend. Okay?
Okay.
Do if you don't talk English, out.
What?
Out.
Okay. Pharmacy out.
Oh.
Go. Okay.
Not pharmacy out. Go.
Okay.
Go class. Okay? Ho.
Let's go then. Do you go pharmacy clinic? Do you go? ፍቃድ ፈልጌ እንግሊዝኛ በቃ ምን አልቻልኩም። ምን ማለት ይቻላል? ምን ማለት ነው? ዛሬ የእንግሊዝኛ ዴይ ነው። ከእንግሊዝኛ ውጭ ሰው ምንም ማውራት አይችልም፣ ይቀጣል ዛሬ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን ታደርጋለህ መሰለህ? እኔ ነገ ፍቃድ ይፈልጋለሁ ክሊኒክ እሄዳለሁ ማለት ነው።
ኦኬ፣ ወደ ክሊኒክ
ትሄዳለህ። ስለዚህ በእንግሊዝኛ አስተማረን ፍቃድ ትጠይቀኛለህ። እንደዚህ ይሻላል። በእንግሊዝኛ what is the meaning of dash በለው ቲቸር።
Goodness teacher, this guy my friend want permission tomorrow he want to go to clinic. He want to go to clinic.
What?
This my friend tomorrow he want to go to clinic, so we come here to take permission.
You clinic?
No, me, my brother.
Yes, this brother clinic.
Yeah. He want to go to clinic tomorrow. He will not be here tomorrow. Clinic kata emo malo ati.
You.
Yes.
Abshalo.
Yes. Yo, go.
You don't speak English. No. Just talk to me. You don't speak English.
Yes.
Yes, director አለ እንዴ?
ዛሬ አማርኛ ማውራት አልቻለም ማለት